Mendeleev's achievements continuation. Further, Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table is advantages. He left some gaps in his periodic table. Instead of looking upon these gaps as defects, Mendeleev boldly predicted the existence of some elements that had not been discovered at that time. Okay, when he is arranged the element in periodic table, at that time he known only some elements, nearly 63 elements only he knew. Okay, but when he is classified the elements in periodic table, he given the some gaps. Okay, why he is given some gaps? Because of in future maybe some elements are discovered in the future, that's why he given the gaps. This is a very advantage of the periodic table. Mendeleev's left some gaps. He given the some gaps, left some gaps in his periodic table. Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table. He given some gaps. Some elements are that had not been discovered at that time. Okay, Mendeleev he given the gaps in his periodic table. He left some gaps in his periodic table. Some elements that had not been discovered at that time. Mendeleev named them by prefixing a Sanskrit numeral. He given the some gaps in his periodic table, but he given the some gaps and he given the prefixing names. Mendeleev named them by prefixing as a Sanskrit numeral. He given the names also, he given the gaps also, and when he is left the gaps, he given the names by the Sanskrit words, Sanskrit numeral. For suppose if we take the Eka means 1 to the same preceding element in the same group. For instance, sodium, scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later. Okay, Mendeleev named them by prefixing Sanskrit word, by prefixing a Sanskrit word, Sanskrit numeral. Eka means 1. Okay, Mendeleev named them by prefixing a Sanskrit numeral Eka, 1 to the same one to the name of preceding element in the same group. Here once you have to observe, Mendeleev already given the some gaps in his periodic table, and Mendeleev named them by prefixing a Sanskrit numeral Eka means 1 to the name of preceding element in the same group. For instance, scandium, gallium. At that time scandium, gallium is not there, but he given the Eka names, Sanskrit numeral. scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later. For instance, scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later. They have similar to the Eka boron. Eka means this is a Sanskrit words. Eka boron, Eka aluminium, Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. Respectively. Okay. For instance, scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later. They have similar to the Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon respectively. The properties of Eka aluminium predicted by Mendeleev and those of the element gallium, which was discovered later and replaced Eka aluminium, are listed as follows. See, Eka aluminium, the properties of Eka aluminium. The properties of Eka aluminium predicted by Mendeleev. And those of the element gallium, which was discovered later, and replaced Eka aluminium Okay, so they given the list. First one is a property, then Eka aluminium, gallium. Eka aluminium, gallium. Atomic mass, Eka aluminium is a 68, gallium is a 69.7. Next, formula of oxide. E2O3. Gallium is a Za2O3. Next, formula of chloride. Formula of chloride is ECl3. Here GaCl3. So gallium, which was discovered later and replaced Eka aluminium. First, Eka aluminium, he given the Sanskrit word Eka aluminium. After that, they discovered gallium, so that they replaced as a gallium. Eka aluminium is replaced as a gallium. Okay. The remaining we will discuss in the next class.